Still trying to pick one up. That's so cute. Oh, I lost. What is going on in Guangzhou, China? Tens of millions of visitors come here for the vibrant culture and truly booming business opportunities. I went to the Canton Fair out of curiosity and left thinking I could start the next big business. They are ready to work with the world here and make anything happen. It was so convenient with my documents ready to pick up at the airport and buses to take you straight to your hotel and then to the fair. There were so many people heading in at the same time, but it only took us minutes thanks to efficient Chinese technology and tons of super friendly staff and volunteers everywhere. No matter where I was, there were volunteers who could help us find the way. I'm looking at a map here, and this place is huge. I've been here for 5 minutes and I'm already feeling lost. How can they make sure they get to the right stand? Are there volunteers here to help them out?
We're here, we're showing you which type of places you want to visit or sort of things you want to buy or you're interested in.
It seems like they have everything here.
They do have everything.
They have everything here? I'm in New York, the finance capital of the world, huge businesses, all kinds of new companies and everything. And I don't see any robots anywhere in New York City. So is this what the future holds here in the Canton Fair?
This is in China, and maybe this will actually happen to the world in the next 5 years.
Bring it on, bring us the robots. Technology helped me find my way around. I couldn't believe how well organized it was. I love all the little bee people. Oh my god. There must be like tens of thousands of people here, and they sell everything. I didn't know this existed. Find new innovative products like this and figure out who wants it in the United States and come be business partners with these people. They make high quality goods here and you know how to sell it. This thing is actually massaging every single part of my body at the exact same time. Are you kidding me? Okay, wait, I think I need... Can I do that? It's just like playing an actual game. They made the robot fit the human experience, not changing the human experience to fit the robot. I think they put the demonstration on easy mode to make the buyers feel good about themselves. He's still trying to pick one up. That's so cute. Oh, I lost. Hey everyone, I'm Dante Munoz. This is my first time here at the Canton Fair, and it's blowing me away. I heard about it. I heard there was all kinds of products that you could source for your businesses abroad, and I didn't realize how innovative everything was. Just here at the Design Awards section, it's incredible. All of these eco-friendly, high-technology, automated things. It is truly blowing my mind, and it's creating all these ideas for what businesses could be in the future. So it's so exciting to be here, and I want to invite all the people of the world, come to the Canton Fair, start the business of your dreams. We're here at the Canton Fair making friends, making business contacts, looking at robots. We're doing it all this trip.
Very nice to meet you and looking forward to you joining us.
Good to meet you, my friend.